This application has to do with map scaling. On a map, 3 inches represents 225 miles. If two cities are 7 inches apart on the map, how far are they apart in reality? This is a sample map here which shows a distance of 3 inches corresponding to 225 miles. The question is, how far would 7 inches on the map correspond to? We can familiarize ourselves by looking at the map and also knowing that since 7 inches is more than twice 3 inches, the distance for the 7 inches has to be more than twice 225 miles. So we can even make a guess on this. We also want to define a variable. We are asked how far they are apart in reality. So let's let D equal the actual distance between the cities. I think we're ready now to go to step 2, which is the translate step. And in this step, we translate the problem to mathematical language. We can translate this problem to a proportion. We're given the ratio 3 inches to 225 miles. This is the distance on the map. This is the actual distance. It's important to remember which is in the numerator and which is in the denominator, because in the other ratio we're going to write, we need to do the same thing. We need to write the map distance as the numerator and the actual distance in the denominator. The map distance is 7 inches. The actual distance we don't know, but we have said we're going to let that equal to D. Since these should be proportional, we can set them equal to each other, and we have an equation to solve for D. So we're ready to move to the next step, solve, which is to solve the proportion 3 over 225 equals 7 over D. And we'll do this by equating cross products. We will equate 3 times D to 225 times 7. To solve this, we will divide both sides by 3, and we get 3 times D divided by 3 equals 225 times 7 divided by 3. The left side becomes D, and the right side we can multiply 225 times 7 divided by 3, and we have 525. So we have a possible answer, and we do need to check it in the original equation. That is step 4. The proportion that we had said that 3 over 225 should equal 7 over D, and we said that D was 525. So to check, let's check cross products. 225 times 7 is 1,575. 3 times 525, looking at this cross product, if we multiply that out, we would also get 1,575. So 525 miles does check. And thinking back to our familiarized step where we said it had to be more than twice 225, well, twice 225 is 450, and this is more than that. So it's also a reasonable answer. So we're ready to state our answer in a complete sentence. We can say the cities are 525 miles apart.